Okay, so here we are again in another video. Today we had a trade that I'm gonna show you right now. But first, we're gonna start as always with the DX fucking Y. So, okay, so we had this previous daily low up here, previous daily high, sorry, up here, and of course the relevant liquidity on H1 that took it. And then to the downside, we had this relevant liquidity in H1, previous daily low, and previous weekly low. I think it would take that. Not sure. Not sure about that. In my opinion, we can continue going up, but yeah, I'm not sure. So we took the previous daily high, which of course it went down from taking it, not giving any entry, and then we took this relevant liquidity in H1. In which we had this break of structure here, but with this week I don't really like that, and then well, it went down all the way. Okay, so well, as you can see, it was sells for the USD pairs and buys for the other two. So we start with the Euro USD chart, previous daily low and relevant liquidity in H1. To the downside, I was looking for buys, but well, we took the R5, the relevant liquidity M5 to the left. Then we went down and took the relevant liquidity M5 to the downside, of course. And well, it reversed with these wicks and break of structure on the relevant liquidity M5. No relevant structure here. No relevant liquidity here. Fuck. I feel tired when I finish working and I don't know how to talk. Okay, so yeah, so we took relevant liquidity on M5 here. We had no relevant liquidity on M5 to confirm the entry here, so the only option was to take the low. We never took that, and it went up to take well, this high, which I don't fucking know what's that. Okay, so this relevant liquidity H1 from taking this, and in the end it reversed from that. No trading opportunities as it was out of timing. Okay. GU. So on GU, it happened not the same, as we went down pretty much all day, but we took this previous weekly low here to the left, a little bit far, but it's okay. Previous daily low, and I was looking for buys. In this case, we had this break of structure here. Well, this doesn't count as it's out of timing. We had this break of structure here, and I waited for the relevant liquidity M1 to be taken. What I don't really like is that maybe it was too obvious, but yeah, that doesn't, I don't care about that, is that the extreme candle is a wick, which is mitigated, but yeah, after these strong moves to the upside, I think it was risky to trade this. So I entered with the engulfing candle here, stop loss below the extreme. Well, stop loss taken by no pips, and then it moved up, creating another movement to fake early buyers probably. Then it took them out, no possibility to enter here, and then well, it went all the way up and now it's falling again. ATR level reached. So maybe I could have avoided this entry, but it's okay. I think it's okay. So USD/JPY, not a lot to say here. We took the previous daily low. This is not a weekly low, so I think that this is only within H1, but it's not that relevant. So previous daily low, no entries here. Then we took the relevant liquidity on each one. I could have looked for sells, but the break obstructor was out of timing, and then we took relevant liquidity on 5 directly. The relevant liquidity on each one was down here, and well, we had no more trading opportunities in this case. USD well, we took this relevant liquidity on each one here, breaking start to the downside. So we had previous daily high and relevant liquidity on each one, and another relevant liquidity on each one. I wanted to look for sells, but we had, well, this move to the downside, taking the relevant liquidity in 5, so I had to wait for this to be taken again. We took that, but the break of structure was relevant liquidity in 5. We had no relevant liquidity in 5 to confirm. And then we had another relevant liquidity, like another break, taking the relevant liquidity in 5. The relevant liquidity on M5 to confirm was here. And this is not a good trade as it's out of timing, but maybe it could reverse. Okay, maybe we can go up, but I think it's probably we could reverse in this case. But I don't trade out of timing because my confirmations doesn't work properly usually. Okay, and finally, USD CAD. We took the previous weekly low, previous daily low too, so relevant liquidity in each one up here, and of course here. So I wanted to look for sells again. I was well, yeah. So I wanted to look for sells. My break obstructor was here, and as you can see, no confirmation at all. So it went down. It took the rally within 5, and we had no rally within 5, so I had to wait for this to be taken. In the end, it went down all the way, giving all the movement. And then we took the rally within each one, and with the news, it started going down again. No entry opportunity. High 34. No break obstructor, so yeah, no fucking entry. So this was my day. Really, these days are being like shit, more or less, but it is what it is. And well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.